I want to show you today an application that I made. I worked on this using C programming. I made this using C, and this is this is not very complex. It's not something very complex, but it's a project that helped me to learn many things. It's a project that helped me with. I am a teacher. I teach languages, so every month I need to charge my students specific amount of money depending on the number of lessons and how many hours we work together. We had classes, so this helped me to check how much money I need to charge them. It helped me with that management, with that with those numbers. Before, at the beginning or at the end sometimes of every month, I had to check by myself how much money, how much classes I had with each of the students, and what was the price, and I need to do all the calculation myself. So with this tool that I created, I can do it very, very fast. I can generate payments very quickly. I can tell my students how much is a month, how much is the month price, very, very quickly. Before it took me like, I don't know, maybe 10 minutes, 5 minutes for each of my students to check how much was it, if they were from Brazil, if they were from, depending on the country, it's a different different price. So it was difficult. It took me some time. So I made this here. This small program has around let's see here, 900 lines, and it helps me every time I need to send my students the price of the month. It's very important to make something that can help yourself. Create something. Think about something that can make you, that can help you, something useful for you. I made this tool, but maybe you have some other ideas. Maybe, I don't know, you need something to help you with your daily habits, something to help you with your working out routine, I don't know, with your diet, something that you can use and something that can help you in your daily life. This is what I found. This is what I created, and it helped me very much to learn, helped me very much to practice programming, and it helps me with my work. So something I think I created something very useful for my life in general. This is the code. We're going to see now the program running. Okay, so here is the program. It's a very simple program that is running on the command line. So we have 4 options here: generate payment, show monthly payments log. It's not finished. That option is not finished, so it won't work. And configuration. So I will show you number 3. For instance, we can change prices for new students, and we can change variables. We can change the price. We can change the price for new students, for older students, the price for students from Argentina, from Brazil, from other countries. So this is very useful, and I can generate this payment. These are small messages that I also create. I do the accountancy. I calculate the amount of money for the month, but also I generate a small text that I can send on WhatsApp. I will show you now. For instance, we can choose the language in which we're going to generate this message: English, Spanish, and Portuguese. For instance, we're going to choose Portuguese. We choose the country. Is it a student from Argentina? It will be a specific price. Is it a student from Brazil? Usually I have more students from Brazil. They have a special price for individual lessons that it's a little bit more expensive. And group lessons, they are much cheaper. So let's see, this student takes individual lessons. Is it an all students? All students, usually they have a cheaper price because they've been with me, studying with me longer, so I give them usually a better price if the students have stayed with me for longer, for 1 year or 2 years. New students, they have a different price. So let's see all students, and here I have to write the student name. Let's say Gabriel. Month of payment. I'm gonna write, I don't know if I chose the language English or Portuguese, I don't remember. Let's write in Julio. Let's write in Portuguese. Number of lessons. Let's see. Let's imagine this person had 8 lessons. Okay, for instance, full monthly payment 256 reais. This is the money from Brazil with no discount. This is the full price, but I can also apply a discount if they pay before the 10th, in the first 10 days. Apply discount. Let's apply a 10% discount. Yes. And here, applying discount, full monthly payment 256, monthly payment with discount 230 and 40 cents, 10% discount we have here. So this is the price with the 10% discount. Then I will add a new entry to payments.txt. This information is written in a text file. So I have a text file with all the entries, all the students who paid, how much it was, and some details there. This is very interesting. It's a good feature of this program. And then this program generates a message, in this case in Portuguese because we chose Portuguese. Gabriel, esse mês, julho, são 8 aulas. In this month we have 8 classes, and here we have the calculation. Com 10% de desconto, with the 10% discount, it will be 256, and the total price 230 with 40. General receipt? Yes or no? Well, here we have like a small message that I can share with my students. But the one that I use the most is this. I just copy this and I paste this on WhatsApp, and you can see we have the formatting. It will be in, I think in English we say black. So it will appear on WhatsApp with the right format. That is really nice. Then I can just to do another payment, go back to the main menu or exit. Let's try another one. Do another payment. This time we're going to do one in Spanish for one of my students in Argentina. The name will be like, I don't know, Carlos, let's say. Amount of payment, it's gonna be Julio. And number of lessons, let's say it's gonna be 10 lessons. So, Carlos, este mes Julio son 10 clases, 10 por 4,000. This is just a imaginary price that I added here. 10 por 4,000, 10 times 4,000. It will be like 40,000 pesos. Okay, Argentinian pesos. I can just copy this and paste on WhatsApp very quickly, and that's it. In this case, we didn't add a discount, but the information is also added in the entry in payments.txt file, in the payments.txt file. So it's something that makes my life much easier when I need to send how much the month is for each of my students. So I think the idea that I want to transmit you to pass to you is that look for something that will help you. Look for something that will add something to your life and work on that. If you have an idea, it can be something simple, something that can help you in your work or to organize your life better, or it can help you, I don't know, tracking some information. Try to work on that, and you will feel very, very, very proud every time you use your own creation, your own software or your own program. And whenever you find while you're using your own software, you might find something that you think, okay, I can make this better, or I can change this here. I prefer it to be in a different way. And you, while using it, you are improving your own software, your own piece of software. So this is what I wanted to share with you. And you can find the code on GitHub. I will leave the link to this program. It's open source. I will leave it in the description. Thank you so much for watching it, and see you next time. Bye bye. Thank you.